Hello guys, in this tutorial I would like to talk about Meteor Wallet and I will show all functionality of this wallet. This application is available for iOS and Android. I'm using iPhone. Let's open. I push Meteor Wallet and here we go. First, let's go to the settings. I go to the top left and push on those three lines, and here we can edit our profile and also we can find settings. I go to edit profile. Here we can put our account name and also add some description. I go back and now let's go to the settings. So here you can find your seed phrase, yes. Also here you can find address book. Let's go there and you can add address, yes, in your address book. Just push on the plus on your top right and here you can put a label and wallet address. Okay, I go back. Next, authentication. Let's go. Here we can add or remove our biometric and session timeout. Okay, I go back. And also you can see that we can add several wallets here, yes. Just push on the plus and you can create new wallet here. Okay, I go to the main page. And here you can see we can send, swap or stake. Let's try to send. I push send. I will choose one near, just for example. Recipient address. You can put address here, or also you can push your address book, yes, and choose recipients. I will choose this one. And look below, you can see wallet account details. We can see when this account was created. Also, we can see account balance and last interaction with these recipients. And we can also check interaction history. Yes, this is like extra layer of security. I push continue and I push confirm send. Okay, it's publishing and send successful. I go back and now let's try to make some swap. I push on swap button and here I will swap one near and I will choose GR token. Okay, and here pay attention. At the bottom you can see Meteor fee, 0 fee, only the best rates. Yes, I think this is the great. I push review swap. Okay, and here I push confirm swap. Executing transaction. Okay, step 1 success and step 2 is also success. So my swap successful. I go back to home and now let's try stake. I push stake and here you can see the estimated rate 8.68%. Yes, to stake I just need to push stake more and here I choose the amount and push stake now. Okay, and stake successful and I push done. Okay, now let's go to the next section at the bottom, NFT. Here you can find all your NFTs, yes, and you can just choose your NFT and you can send it. I go back. Next, this is the card. I applied to receive this card and I'm just waiting. Next section, history. Here we can find a very great feature. If you go to the search field, here we have filters. We can search by token and we can search by recipients. Yes, I choose token and for example I will search my history for token USDT. I push show result and here you go. We have all history for USDT token. You can choose any token and check your history, but apart from that we also can search by recipients. Yes, I choose who and here I need to choose some account which I want to check. Okay, this is my account and the account exists. Okay, I push show result and here I can find all history of this account. Okay, so I think this is very great feature which helps us to monitor, yes, and might control some transactions. And the last section I would like to talk, this is explore. Let's go to the explore and here we can find different applications. I go to the search field and for example I choose ref finance. I push visit. Okay, and in this ref finance we can participate in some pools or stakes. Yes, I go to the menu, I choose pools and here I can choose any pools and participate. Okay, also I can choose for example stake and here I can stake and earn some rewards. Let's go back and for example I would like to show also TradePort. This is platform for NFT trading. I push visit And here we have trade board. I choose blockchain near here because here we have different. I choose near. Okay. And here I can find NFTs in near blockchain and buy them or sell from my wallet. Okay. And here we can find different applications for near, which we can explore and participate. I think I have talked about every features in Meteor Wallet. To summarize, I would like to highlight that it works very smoothly and quickly, and it has such key features like Biometric Unlock, Smart Verification Guard, Address Book, Explore Apps, and Secure Send Flow. Yes, and I'm very enjoying to use it. I like very much how it works. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day ahead, and bye.